हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैक आवर यूट्यूब एजुकेशन चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो हम करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 7 एसएस चैप्टर नंबर 1। लेट्स नो द हिस्ट्री का वर्कबुक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपका एमसीक्यू से। नंबर 1, इन द एंशिएंट टाइम्स मैन यूज्ड टू राइट ऑन विच थिंग? इनर बार्क ऑफ ट्री। नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए सोर्स टू नो हिस्ट्री? Vehicle. Third number, which of the following writings last longer? Record. Fourth number, manuscript were written on the thin bark of which tree of Himalayas? Birch. 5 number, what are the articles written on carved on metal and stones called? Inscriptions. 6 number, inscriptions of which ruler are very famous? Ashoka. By which name is the learner of historical source known? Archaeologist. 8th number, with the help of research of historians, we get the glimpse of great civilization of India. This flourished on the banks of which river in northwestern India? Indus. What did the Iranians call the Indus River? Hindus. What did the Greek call the Indus River? Indus. From which Vedas do we find the name of Bharat? Rig Ved. 12 number, the chronology was started from the birth year of the founder of which religion? Christian. Who is the founder of Christianity? Jesus Christ. Very often, how is chronology written instead of AD? CE. Very often, how is chronology written instead of BC? BCE. Which of the following is not a manuscript? Tamrapatra. Question number 2, fill in the blanks का number 1. History gives information about past of human society. Second number, social science introduces us to the present social life. Archaeologists and historians bring the past to our life. Fourth number, we know our country by two names, India and Bharat. 5 number, in ancient time, people wrote manuscript on the leaf of a palm tree. 6 number, Sri Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra is located at Kaaba in Gandhinagar. 7 number, many times BP means before present word is used. 8 number, archaeologists are the important scholars of the past. 9 number, the information about human of ancient age in India is found from the manuscript written on Tatpatra and Bhojpatra. Question 1, 3 true or false का number 1. History informs us about the changes that occurred in human life. True. History takes us to a different world of the present. False. Tatpatra means a manuscript written on the bark of a palm tree. False. The Bhojpatra of Ashoka are very famous. False. The text of manuscript of ancient times are found in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil languages. True. Coins are also the important tool source to know history. True. Punchmark coins are the oldest coin. True. The information about the modern age of India is found from the manuscript like Tatpatra and Bhojpatra. False. The word India is derived from Bharat. False. 10 number, a group of people named Bharat came to settle in the South India. False. Question number 4, match the pairs correctly. नंबर 1, record का आंसर है आपका bark of a birch tree. सेकेंड नंबर, ताम्रपत्र का आपका आंसर है text engraved on copper plate. BC का आपका आंसर है before birth of Christ and AD का आपका आंसर है Anno Domini. सेकेंड मैचिंग में आपका है हिस्टोरिकल स्कॉलर्स का आपका आंसर है आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट. इंदस का आंसर है आपका सिंधु. दी म्यूजियम ऑफ ताम्रपत्र का आपका आंसर है इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडोलॉजी नवरंगपुरा. द म्यूजियम ऑफ मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स का आपका आंसर है temples and monasteries. Question number 5. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. Number 1. Which are the oldest coin of India? The punch mark coin of the 5th era is the oldest coin of India. Second number. Which are the source to know history? Tarapatra, Bhojpatra, inscriptions, Tamrapatra, coins, old buildings, bricks, stones, tools, food samples, bones, animal and human. There is extra are the source. Third number. Which information does social science give us? Social science give us the information about history, geography, economics, social conditions, institution, politics, present social life, etc. Fourth number. What did the people use for writing in ancient time? The people used Tarpatra or Bhojpatra for writing in ancient time. 5 number. In which language are the writings texts found in manuscript? In manuscript, the writings are found in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil language. 6 number. The writing on which historical source are long lasting? The writing on the historical source known as stone or metal inscriptions are long lasting. 7 number. What are Tamrapatras? The writing engraved on the copper plate or called Tamrapatra. 8th number. How did the king use Tamrapatra? The king used Tamrapatra by engraving information about their administration and donations on the copper plate. 9 number. Which foreign traveler came to India in ancient India? The foreign traveler like Megasthenes, Pliny, Pahin, Hivanti sang extras come to India in ancient times. 10 number. By which two names is our country known as? Our country is known by the two names of India, River of India. 11 number. With which river of India were the people of ancient Iran and Greece familiar? The people of ancient Iran and Greece were familiar with the Indus River of India. 12 number. In which work of Sanskrit is a group of people called Bharat mentioned? A group of people called Bharat is mentioned in Sanskrit earliest work Rig Veda. 13 number. With which chronology has the date line of the world been associated? The time dateline of the world has been associated with the birth of Christ. 14 number. By the AD word used for the chronology in our country. Christian religion is associated with most to the countries due to world. Therefore, like many countries, AD word is used for the chronology in our country. How many years ago had the cities developed in the areas around the Ganga River? The cities had developed 2500 years ago in the areas around the Ganga River. Who bring the past to our life? The archaeologist. यहाँ पे आपका archaeologist है, ई से थोड़ा दूर हो गया है वो, तो आप ध्यान दीजिएगा. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट एंड हिस्टोरियंस ब्रिंग द पास इन आवर लाइफ. 17 number. Which banks of Indus River was known as India by the Irans? The east bank of Indus River was known as India to the Irans. Question 6. Explain the following terms. Number 1. Tarpatra. The manuscript or articles written on the leaf of palm tree are known as Tarpatra. Bhojpatra. The manuscript or article written on the thin bark of birch found in Himalayas are called Bhojpatra. Inscriptions. Writing carved on stone or known as inscription are known as inscription. Punch mark coin. The coin created by pressing metal pieces in the molds are known as punch mark coin. Question 7. Give historical reason for the following statement. Number 1. Kings carved the inscriptions in ancient times. In ancient times, kings got their orders inscriptions for conserving with people. They writed the informations of their kingdom, religion, and culture on one stone. The writing on these inscriptions, यहाँ पे आपकी inscriptions की spelling by mistake गलत हो चुकी है, तो आप इधर ध्यान दीजिएगा. These inscriptions have been long lasting. This in ancient times the king carved inscriptions. Second number, historians, archaeologists are the scholars who study the past. Historians, archaeologists collect the information, categorizing data. They collect the information from manuscript and the anestates which are written on Tarpatra and Bhojpatra, and interpret it people apart from these historians give accurate informations of that time by using historical sources. Thus, historians, archaeologists are the scholars who study past. Third number, coin are the important tool source to know history. The informations like the Third number, coin are the important tool source to know history. The informations like the name of the king of that time, his religion and culture, as well as period of time is found on coins. On the basis of coins, the social structure वापिस. Third number, coins are the important tool source to know history. The informations like the name of the king of the time, his religion and culture, as well as period of time is found on coins. On the basis of coins, the social structure of that state is known. Coins have become useful in getting much information about the time of the Greek kings, Narulpur age and Gupta age. Thus, coins are the important tools to know history. Question number 8. Answer the following question in briefly. Number 1. Explain the meaning of BC. The meaning of BC is before Christ, which means before the Christ of Jesus Christ. For example, 2000 BC years means 2000 years before the birth of Jesus Christ. Second number, explain meaning of AD. The meaning of AD means Anno Domini, which means after the birth of Jesus Christ. For example, 2000 AD, okay, means 2000 year after the birth of Jesus Christ. Second number, where are the preserved inscriptions found in Gujarat? Number 1, Sri Hemchandracharya Library, North Gujarat. Second, LD Institute of Indology, Ahmedabad. Third, BJ Learning and Research Center, Navrangpura of Ahmedabad. 4 number, श्री महावीर जैन आराधना केंद्र काबा, गांधीनगर. यहाँ पे आपका गांधीनगर आएगा. 4 number, which information is available on the basis of coins? On the basis of coins, the informations about the king, name, his religions and culture, as well as the periodic, economic and political information are also arrival from the coins. Question number 9. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Why should we study history? History gives information about past of human society, the many important things of their life. The informations about change in the life of a human has been found in our history. History gives us the informations about the customs and beliefs, diet and trees of human life of many ages. Now we should study history to know the past of human life. Second number, how is our country named India and Bharat? Our country is known by two names, India and Bharat. The word India is called Sindhu in Sanskrit language. The east banks of India river was known as India by Iranians after long time. Our country was known as India. The name of Bharat is known from Rig Veda. A group of people named Bharat came and settled in the northwestern India. By their names, our country is known as Bharat. Third number, how do historians and archaeologists study history? To know history, historians and archaeologists research informations. They explore and dig out the historical sources to find the remains of houses, coins, bricks, stones, tools, food, sample the bones of human and animal extra, and studying them they inform each about the culture of that time. Historians collect the data by categorize by find and properly distribute it. In this way, archaeologists and historians bring the past to our life. तो इसी के साथ आपका चैप्टर नंबर 1 फिनिश होता है। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय भारत। और अगर आपको कोई भी